how to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code. And in order for you to fix this issue, let me move into one of the web browser or one of the article which is going to help you out with the step-by-step process. Let me search for how to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code. So right here you'll be able to see all the steps that you can use in order to fix it. The very first thing you want to try doing is reinstall the game. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue. The next thing you want to do is verify the game files. You can use Ubisoft Connect to verify the integrity of your game. After that, check for Windows updates. Ensure your operation system is fully updated. The next thing you want to do is to close the background application. Try closing all the application that has been using on the background. Or else, you can try using a wired connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.